Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve affiliate marketing metrics with Bed Bath & Beyond detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve affiliate marketing metrics with Bed Bath & Beyond, start by familiarizing yourself with their affiliate program. Visit the Bed Bath & Beyond affiliate program page to understand the commission structure and terms. Sign up for the program if you haven't already, and obtain your unique affiliate links. Research the products that are currently popular and trending on their website. Select items that align with your target audience's interests and needs. Create high-quality content that showcases these products, such as reviews or tutorials. Use engaging visuals and clear calls to action in your content to encourage clicks. Incorporate SEO best practices to optimize your content for search engines. Utilize social media platforms to share your affiliate links and drive traffic. Join relevant online communities and forums to promote your content where potential customers gather. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links through the analytics dashboard provided by the program. Identify which products or content types contribute most to your metrics. Experiment with different content formats, such as videos or infographics, to see what resonates best with your audience. Regularly update your content to reflect new products or changes in trends. Engage with your audience through comments or social media to build trust and increase conversions. Consider collaborating with other content creators to expand your reach and audience base. Evaluate the overall effectiveness of your strategy every month, and adjust as needed to maximize results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.